our heartfelt appreciation through the words of gratitude. This segment gives us the opportunity to acknowledge the people who have been part of this journey, those who have guided, supported, and inspired our graduates every step of the way.
Mga day ones.
To deliver the words of gratitude, may I call on Ms. Shera Jane Pareñas with high honors from Accountancy, Business, and Management track to give her words of gratitude. Let's give her a resounding big round of applause, please.
It comes from the Persian word magi, which means wise people. But the magic I believe in today is not the kind we see in stories. It is the magic we cast within ourselves, the courage to dream, the strength to continue, and the determination to become who you want to be. To our esteemed confirmation officer, Dr. Annabel T. Liaso, our distinguished graduation speaker, our school principal, Dr. Collins M. Natividad, our dedicated school administrators, Mrs. Lauren G. Nuega, Head Teacher 3, Mrs. Rose Leia M. Katage, Head Teacher 2, and Mrs. Femi Joy D. Galanza, Head Teacher 1. Our high school coordinator, Ma'am Sharon G. Galapin, our inspiring teachers, faculty and staff, our beloved parents and guardians, to my fellow graduates and to everyone present today, a pleasant afternoon. Last April 30, 2025, I wrote on a small sticky note the desire I have to someday deliver the words of gratitude. Back then, it was merely a small prayer, but little did I know to God to whom I whispered it took it seriously. But I must admit, there were moments when it felt like a distant dream, something uncertain and over the mountains. But I held onto that small note, that quiet prayer, and that simple belief that maybe, just maybe, it could happen. And today, standing here before all of you, I realize that this is the magic I once believed in. The magic of turning a simple dream into a real moment. Because sometimes the magic we are waiting for is not something extraordinary. It is the quiet result of faith, perseverance, late nights of study, and the people who believe in us even we doubted ourselves. And that is why today is not only about my dream coming true, but about thanking the people who made this moment possible. First and foremost, I want to thank the Lord for this very moment and the moments that came before this. If you're going to ask me what do I have to achieve this, well, it was all because of the Lord's faithfulness on my life. It was Him who kept me awake during the nights I have to prepare for an exam. He was the one who gave me wisdom every time I am in need. And the best thing He gave me are the people who made this journey bearable. To the teacher I once dreaded the most, but who turned out to be the very person who opened my eyes to the possibilities I was too unfocused to see, I am no longer the same person before I was entering your class. My heart is full of gratitude to you, Sir Metasela Palacios, our ABM's Papa P. Thank you for your encouragement that fuels us to become the best versions of ourselves. wisdom you instilled in us is something we will carry until the day we live it out. I deeply admire you for always standing by your principles. You have shown me that it's perfectly okay to stand out from the crowd and to hold your own beliefs even if not everyone agrees. You have my deepest respect, sir. To my grade 11 advisor, Mrs. Grace T. Aquilio, thank you for being a constant source of guidance and support. Even though you are no longer our advisor, your care and concern for us never change. Thank you for always looking after us and for being someone we could rely on. To Mrs. Claire S. Palacios, thank you for helping me believe in my abilities and for reminding me that I deserve to be on the stage. I am grateful for your guidance and for being there, especially when I needed support the most. To my ABM family, choosing you was one of the decisions I had to think about repeatedly. I had doubts, questions, and moments of uncertainty, wondering if I was taking the right path. But as time passed, I realized that choosing you was not just a decision. It was a turning point in my life. You challenged me, shaped my skills, and helped me grow not only academically but also personally. Through every lesson, every struggle, and every achievement, you became a part of who I am today. Looking back, I can proudly say that choosing you was one of the decisions I have ever made. I will always say that with you, I found myself in the right place, surrounded by the right people. To the real one, you know who you are. Thank you for always keeping me in the loop. You always there for me since day one. I appreciate you more than you know. Stay real always. And to the most important part of the speech, to the woman who showed me what love feels like in its purest form. My mother, my home, my anchor, and my quiet strength. Thank you for being the foundation beneath every step I take. I am the luckiest daughter to be held by your love, a love that never fades and never asks for anything in return. You carry dreams that were not your own just so mine could take flight. And every sacrifice, you planted hope. In every silent prayer, you built the courage I stand on today. When I could not see how far I could go, you already saw the path for me. You believed in me long before I fully understood my own strength. Everything I am and everything I aspire to be is a reflection of your love. I will spend a lifetime honoring the life God has given me and everything you have done for me. And if fate were to write my story 1,000 times over, in every lifetime, in every world, I would still choose you to be my mother without a doubt, without hesitation, always. And to everyone who became a part of my high school journey, I will always cherish each and every one of you. Thank you for the memories that will forever live within me and the moments that made this chapter unforgettable. Until our path cross again, see you around. As I traced the steps of this journey, I realized that the magic was never something far away or impossible to reach. It was always within me. In every step I took, every challenge I faced, and every moment I choose to keep going. This kind of magic does not come with sparkles or illusions. It is found in faith that never wavers, in perseverance that refuses to quit, and in hearts that continue to believe even when the way forward seems unclear. Today, this moment is proof that magic is real. Not the kind we see in stories, but the kind we create within ourselves. And if there's one thing I have learned, it is this. When you hold onto your dreams, trust the process, and believe in your own magic, even the smallest prayer, once whispered in silence, can bloom into the most beautiful reality, soft, unseen at first, yet powerful enough to become something truly real. To my fellow graduates, as we step into the next chapter of our lives, remember this. Never underestimate the magic within you. Stand strong and keep believing in your own magic, even when others doubt or criticize you. Keep dreaming, keep working hard, and let challenges be stepping stones to your growth. Trust yourself, embrace every opportunity, and always lift others as you rise. The world is waiting for the unique magic only you can create. And lastly, I am proud of myself for standing on the stage with honor and integrity, not by seeking approval or pleasing others, but by believing in myself and proving what I am capable of. Because having the highest general weighted average is not about how many people know your name or the expectation others place upon you, but about the unseen struggles, the silent victories, and the resilience to keep striving even when the recognition remains unseen. And I do believe that the system is not broken after all. Once again, I am Shera Jane Pareñas from the